Asiri ti tú o. Àṣírí tí President Bola Tinubu ò fẹ́ kó tú látọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́ for many years ago ó ti padà tú báyìí o. Wọ́n ti release àwọn ìwé ẹ̀rí àti certificate wọn o. Chicago State University CSU has complied with the United States court order by releasing President Bola Tinubu's academic records to his political rival Atiku Abubakar. Atiku is the presidential candidate of Nigeria's opposition People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the February 25th election. Sought this document to support his claim that Mr. Tinubu had forged a CSU certificate. It is worth noting that this forgery allegation had been previously dismissed by Nigeria's Presidential Election Court when Atiku initially contested the election result. And you begin to wonder, why would the issue of forgery be dismissed? Why is it not investigated? Nevertheless, Atiku pursued the case in the United States court with the aim of obtaining official documents to substantiate his claim, potentially for use in an appeal at Nigeria's Supreme Court. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share, and follow us. Now, the secret is open. All Atiku has been looking for to get to the root of the matter concerning the academic records of President Bola Tinubu. Everything is now available. And of course, as you know, that the United States District Court has, of course, allowed the Chicago State University to release the academic records of Bola Tinubu. So the question is, what has President Bola Tinubu been hiding? Why has he been objecting that they should not release his academic records? So these are questions that would require answers. One of the problems we are going to be having concerning all this wulabalu is legal challenge. If we have to look at this saga very well, you realize that it is not just about the release of academic records, but on the upcoming situation whereby officials from that Chicago State University will be questioned under oath. Tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ question wọn, wọ́n máa pè wọ́n wá láti búra bí kán ṣe búra lórí gbogbo nǹkan tó mọ̀ nípa authenticity àwọn ìwé ẹ̀rí àti academic records President Bola Tinubu. Tí wọ́n bá ti sọ̀rọ̀, tán bá lọ tú àṣírí, ó ti di wàhálà nìyẹn o. Disgrace ńlá ló jẹ́ fún Nigeria o. It's a national embarrassment for Nigeria. It's a big problem for the country, especially when we talk about the global stage. We have institutions where we have DSS, Department of State Security, NIA, INEC, and others. But these people, these institutions are not functioning. They need total reform. Àwọn tó wà ńbẹ̀, corruption náà ni. Because if they are not corrupt, they would have done the right thing. They would have provided a definite conclusion on President Tinubu's academic qualifications. This uncertainty is what we call a national tragedy. Other potential implication for national security is that if President Tinubu were found to have presented a false certificate, it actually shows the lack of due diligence and an unclear electoral process. It means that our electoral process is not okay. We need to recheck it. We need to reform it. Yes, and let me tell you, this is going to damage Nigeria's reputation. There's a need for constitutional amendment to ensure that all electoral cases are resolved before a candidate assumes office, so that we can prevent situations like this from occurring in the future. And this also calls for a reorganization of the national security system if the certificate is found to be genuine. So whether it is genuine or not genuine, we all have to face the consequences, because it will rub on us if you have to travel out of the country, even if they have not been trusting Nigerians before. But now, they will not even trust them at all. If your number one president can have issues regarding result, regarding certificate, regarding academic records, it's quite unfortunate. There's a need for a reform of the judiciary, including an automated case assignment system, transparent judge recruitment processes, and public evaluation of judges' performance to increase public oversight and improve the administration of justice. And you wonder sometimes, some things they say it is not important or they have to dismiss, and you'll be like, wow. And don't forget that because the court has the final say, sometimes it looks like you cannot say any other thing. And if you must know, the legal challenge against the president in a foreign court is characterized as a sign of state failure. This does not align with what we hold dear to us in our national anthem. There's no truth and justice in our nation. We have to work towards all these things. Ó ṣe pàtàkì nítorí disgrace ńlá ló jẹ́ fún wa lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa ṣe legal proceedings against the number one person in Nigeria. It shows there's no truth. Kò sóòótọ́, corruption, gbogbo ẹ̀ ó ti dàpọ̀ mọ́ra wọn. Abalabájọ téèyàn kan sọ pé Nàìjíríà jàgàjágá. Ṣé Nàìjíríà wà jàgàjágá báyìí? Wọ́n tẹ́ bá rò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́. Whatever your thoughts are, drop your comment. Remember to follow us for more stories, like, comment, and share. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.